This here is called the grid stitch. This is number 24 in my series of going through 440 stitches. If you want to learn how to do the grid stitch, I can teach you. Let's get started on that tutorial. Today's tutorial is going to be on the grid stitch, and this is going to be number 24 in my series of going through 440 stitches. This is going to be done in multiples of 2 plus 1, and then we're going to add 2 to the foundation chain. So we're going to go ahead and start with the slip knot. I do have a G hook, which is a 4.0, and I am using some Red Heart ombre yarn. So I'm going to go ahead and make a chain with in multiples of 2. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, let's do a couple more. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, and so then now we're going to go ahead and we're going to add 1, and then we're going to add 2. Okay, and then what we're going to do now is we're going to skip the first 2 stitches. So 1, 2, and then we're going to put a double crochet into that stitch. Okay. And now we're going to go ahead and we are going to skip the next stitch, and then we're going to go ahead and put a single crochet and a double crochet into the next stitch. Okay. Skip 1 and put a single and a double. Skip 1 and then we put a single and a double. And we do this all the way until we get to the last 2 stitches. Okay, skip 1 and we put a single and a double. Okay, skip 1 stitch and we put a single, and then we put a double crochet into that same stitch. Okay. Okay, so you're going to want to do this all the way until you get to the end. I'll meet you when we get to the last 2 stitches. Okay, so we've made it to the end and we have 2 stitches left, 1, 2. So we're going to skip 1 and we're just going to put 1 single crochet into this very last stitch here. Okay, so we just go in it and put a single crochet, and that is the end of this round. Okay, and so what we're going to do is chain 1, and this chain 1 is going to count as a single crochet, and we're going to put a double crochet into the first stitch. Okay. All right, and so now what we're going to do is we are going to skip the next double crochet. So you'll see these 2 stitches right here. This one's a double crochet and this one's a single crochet. So we're going to skip the double crochet and we're going to go ahead and we are going to put a single crochet and a double crochet into the next single crochet from the previous round. So this one here is a double crochet and this is a single crochet. So right in here we're going to put a single crochet and a double crochet. Okay, and we're going to do this all the way down. So this right here is a double crochet, this one right here, and this is a single crochet. So we're going to put a single crochet and a double crochet where the single crochet is. Okay, skip the double crochet and then we put a single crochet and a double crochet. It's very simple yet very effective. It gives it a really cool look. We just do this all the way down. Skip the double crochet, put a single crochet, and then a double crochet. Okay. There's the double crochet right here. I'm going to put a single crochet, and then a double crochet. Okay. Double crochet right here. We're going to put the single and double. Okay, same thing. knocking things over here. Getting excited about my crocheting. Okay, so we have this one here. I'm going to put a single crochet and a double crochet, and then in the very last stitch we're going to do the same thing that we did in the previous round. Okay, so single crochet in that turning chain right here. So this one right here, we're going to put a single crochet. Okay, and that is going to close off that round. And do you see how cool that's starting to look the way that it is? And so all you do is you repeat the step. So you just chain up one, turn, we put a double crochet right into that first stitch, and then we skip the double crochet, and then we put a single crochet and a double crochet into the next stitch. Okay, skip the double crochet, put a single crochet and a double crochet into the next stitch. Skip the double crochet, which is right here, put single crochet and a double crochet. Skip the double crochet, and then we're going to put the single and the double. Okay, skip the double and then put a single and a double crochet. Same thing all the way down. And you're going to have yourself something that looks really cool and that you can use on blankets. You can use it on really anything that you want. Just make sure that you pay attention to your stitch count. You always want to do it in multiples of 2. And that's pretty much it. But it's a really easy stitch to do, and it's a really fun stitch to do, and you can do it in multiple colors if you wish. So again, find the turning chain and then go ahead and put your single crochet. And that is it. That, my friends, is the grit stitch. Looks the same on both sides. It's really cool, really fun. It kind of looks like a bunch of little flowers. Anyway, I hope this tutorial helps you. And as always, please reach out to me if you guys have any questions or if there's something that you want to learn. And I appreciate you guys being a part of this journey of going through 440 stitches. Y'all have a good one.